Hello, I am Nandini. In this video, we discuss about blood type of compatibility. First, we learn the basic concept of blood. Blood is consist of RBC, WBC and platelets. These are the main component of blood. Red color fluid we call blood. Blood consists of RBC, WBC, platelets. RBC means red blood corpuscles, WBC means white blood corpuscles and platelets. See, main role of RBC is transfer oxygen through all over the body. It is the main role of RBC, and WBC is identify foreign body and kill them, protect us from diseases. It is the main role of WBC. Platelets or clotting element. See, this is the basic concept of blood. Blood we again divided into 8 types. These 4 types are called Rh positive. These 4 types are called Rh negative. This system we called ABO blood group system. Okay. How can we divide blood groups? Consider blood group A. First, you know, blood is consist of antigens and antibodies. See, consider blood group A consists of A type of antigen, B type of antibodies. This type of blood we called blood group A. Next, we consider blood group B. Consists of B type of antigen and A type of antibodies. This type of blood group we call B type of blood. Next, we consider AB. Is consist of AB blood group. There is no antibodies. It is only consist of A and B type of antigens. And next we consider O. O blood. There is no antigens. It is consist of only A and B type of antibodies. It is consist of A and B type of antibodies. This type we separate bloods. Next we move to discuss about blood type compatibility using chart. Consider blood A plus gives A plus and AB plus, receives A plus, A minus, O plus, O minus. What indicates this? For example, a person consists of A plus blood group. He gives only A plus persons, AB plus persons and receives A plus, A minus, O plus, O minus persons. This type. Next we consider O plus gives O plus, A plus, B plus, AB plus and receives only O plus, O minus. See, consider O blood group. It is called common donor because ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, O ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಂದನೂ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓನ್ಲಿ O ಪ್ಲಸ್ O ಮೈನಸ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ common donor. And next we consider B plus gives only B plus, AB plus and receives B plus, B minus, O plus, O minus. Next we consider AB plus gives only AB plus, receives everyone. See, sorry, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಂದನೇ ಇಸ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ಬಟ್ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಕೊಡೋದಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. AB ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇರೋರಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ common recipient. Next we consider A minus gives A plus, A minus, AB plus, AB minus. Receives only A minus, O minus. Next we consider O minus gives everyone but do not receive everyone, only O minus. Next we consider B minus gives B plus, B minus, AB plus, AB minus, receives B minus, O minus. Next we consider AB minus gives AB plus, AB minus, receives AB minus, A minus, B minus, O minus. This is the blood type compatibility. Offspring. Possible transformation of parents to their offspring means babies. Consider this chart. Parents' blood type, possible children, impossible children. Consider A and A. For example, parents consist of A and A blood group. Mother consists A, father also consists A, father consists A, mother also consists A. Parents consist A and A type of blood. Possible children is A and O type blood. Impossible children, AB and AB is not possible for their child. Next we consider A and B. Possible children A, B, AB and O. Impossible children none. ಎಲ್ಲದು ಬರಬಹುದು ಇವರಿಗೆ. ಯಾವುದು ಬರದೇ ಇರೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಯಾವುದು ಇರಲ್ಲ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಎ ಅಂಡ್ ಎ ಬಿ. ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಎ ಬಿ, ಇಂಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಓ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಎ ಅಂಡ್ ಓ. ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಎ ಓ, ಇಂಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಬಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಎ ಬಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಬಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಿ. ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಬಿ ಓ, impossible A and AB. Next we consider B and AB. Possible children A, B, AB, impossible O. Next we consider B and O. Possible children B, O, impossible A and AB. Next we consider AB and AB. Possible A, B, AB, impossible O. AB and O. Possible A, B, impossible AB and O. Next we consider O and O. Possible O, impossible A, B, AB. This is the chart of blood transmission through parents to their offspring. Consider RH group of blood means negative, positive. This type parents, for example, parents consist of positive and negative. How can blood transfer? See, consider positive and positive. Their offspring positive irbodu, either positive or negative. Both are positive. Their offspring have either positive, either negative. Next we consider their parents have positive and negative. Their offspring consist of either positive or negative. Lastly, the parents consist of only negative. The offsprings have negative blood group. It is the chart of blood transfusion parents to their offsprings. Okay. Please, you like this video, please like, share, subscribe and support this channel.